This In the Wild with Chris. Well, today it's not so much in the wild. I'm going to take you along on this IPSC competition, or IPSC. And it's a dynamic form of shooting. But I'll take you along and I'll explain a bit on the way.
Are you ready? Stand by.
The goal is to shoot targets, either paper or steel, as fast as possible. I'm pretty new to the sport. This has only been my third competition so far, but I have some great club mates who gladly give pointers and tips.
Nej, det var fel. Vad hade du?
When you're done, you go to the safety table, clear the gun, and put it away. So that was a IPSC competition here. It took about 3 hours, 6 matches. Each match is about 20 to 30 seconds, so it's a long time in between, but it's a lot of fun. So anyway, this was not very much in the wild, but it's a fun thing to do. If you like this, give it a like, share, and subscribe my channel. Until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.